That's gold right there.
Is there even room to flip yourself upside down in here?
Find out. Get in there.
I don't think you can.
Oh yeah. Yep. That's all you, buddy. Get in there.
Don't you go all the? Aren't you supposed to go all the way?
What? Well, you show us.
I've never done one of these before. How do you do that?
Here, let's lock your ankles in. Oh yeah.
Okay, if I fall in this, I'm gonna be pissed.
Okay, get your head back. Okay.
I don't want to put my head on.
And now you.
What?
Now you.
Dude, it actually feels pretty good.
Isn't that good?
Yeah. All right, you do the rest of this while I hang out.
I'm pretty sure it's. Yeah, it's locked now. You're done, buddy.
Woo!
Nice job on the traction machine. Bro, that's worth the house, right?
Dude,
there.
I would take this home. I mean,
that's money there, baby. Look at with a heating pad, okay? And it's.
I'm sure it vibrates and everything else there.
Yep.
Yeah. Great find.
Yep. That's it.
You didn't have to flip me
Now
that
I'm
fast
happy about
though.